When you're letting the...
You're scared?
So you just want to let it
Look at me, Rosie.
obviously somebody hops on the tube, you let the tube out, and then you start moving forward. Once the tube line is all the way out, it's hot, then you can start accelerating. Just don't want to accelerate before that point, because you might just get like a third jerk and the rope might snap.
Rosie, you said don't get in the boat.
It'll kind of like lock in just past that spot. There you go. So, right, yeah. So we're just basically right there. Same thing when you're going out. Just nice and slow going out. And you have the propeller.
Whoa!
Save the memory for later.
Okay.
So that's all your regular system.
Wow!
Do you have any questions? Before we have.
Here, Rosie. Here, Tan. Grab the backpack.
Daddy got interest and Grandma can have baby. Wait.
Oh, we're at the boat? Where we'll get water.
Okay, here you go. We'll go in the boat.
That's just been the last couple of days, so a lot of
Not covered, hey?
What's that?
This wasn't covered.
It is covered. It's just doesn't shed as much as it used to. It's sitting in the sun. It's not so waterproof.
Yes.
I thought you said this is a 7-person boat, but this is like
More.
10 or something.
So when you guys are not using the tube, you'll just have to be still on the boat. So we'll just have one person holding onto the rope.
Okay.
And then we'll just bring the rest of the rope just right onto the boat there with you guys.
So, this is an import, so half a port, is that?
No, there's just the propeller and the gearbox hanging out.
You want to tie it on something for now?
Right below this section
So
here.
it's not
No,
going
you
to get
can't tie it on.
No, just like this.
floats in.
Basically, yeah.
Just for now.
Oh.
Yeah. There's also the
Put your
extended
purse
swim
under
deck
the
in the back
seat.
there. So.
First, you want?
This is like a shitty smile. And then it comes back into the same spot or whichever, one of these three?
Yeah, so what it'll do is one of us will actually hop in the water and we'll receive you. So we'll actually move the boat out and into the sled.
This over there?
Yeah.
So we got to be back at this dock at...
Between here, and then I'll hop in the water and grab you.
Okay. So,
What?
this is from the
Hey,
water.
sit.
That's just the bills should be, yeah.
So it's not on max.
How's it going back?
It's just back between reading like this usually.
How's it going back already? Is it in reverse? Oh, you're pushing it?
How can you go down there?
It's shallow water.
Shallow?
Yeah.
You're not drowning.
I'm not. I'm still above the water.
Above? If you go far away right there, are you gonna drown?
Probably not, because I can swim.
You know how to go underwater, right?
What I might get you to do is actually when you're going out, once you're out 100 feet, you can just turn that build switch right off.
Okay, just to make sure I know where it is. Right here, got it.
Yeah, it just says build. Yeah.
Okay.
So you're at this point here, just lower that trim, just covering that icon.
Halfway.
Yeah. And then once you're, we can probably turn that switch off right away here. Yeah, we can just turn that switch right
It's
off.
off.
Perfect. All right, and then just bring that throttle forward to that slowest speed setting. So you just once it kind of kicks into place there. All right, perfect.
Okay.
All right, have fun, guys.
Okay, see ya.
Okay, thanks. All right.
Fun, hey?
Now we're on our way.
On our way to where?
On our way to jump in the water, throw you in the water. And Tantai's going to go on this tube, and we're going to push him around on the tube. Because he wants to, right,
Tan?
Tan?
You want to take your shirt off? Tan?
Ken, you said you wanted to go tubing. That's why we're on the boat. You want to go tubing, right?
I'm scared I'm gonna slip over the...
And what? You have a life jacket on.
Oh, sorry.
We're not going to go fast. I'll go on with you.
I think it's a two-man tube, isn't it, Matthew?
Yeah. And then when are you driving the boat?